Wendy DeGrief. Really appreciate you putting on and helping to support the kids club and bringing out the big wheel race for the weekend. I participated in one in 1992.
Yeah, I hope
Glad
it
it's
works.
back.
I hope it works out. I mean, this is the first year. I hope to grow on it and just want the kids to have fun and enjoy themselves like the adults are doing when they race. So might as well give them some fun while they're here, right?
Excellent. Yeah, who helped provide the big wheels for this race?
I had a few people looking for me, so basically I did. Trying to find them. They're not easy to find anymore. The older ones aren't.
Right.
So, but yeah, if anybody can find any, let me know.
All right. Appreciate the time. We'll let you get
Yeah.
this event kicked off.
Thank you.
On track first, the 7 and under age group.
Woo! Down to the wire! Woo! As they come through. I figured she'd be like, I helped her push it.
On to the medal ceremony. Here's our first ever Super Nationals champion. Wear that medal proud. And a great run for the silver medal. Such a tight race. Congratulations. And rounding out the podium, here's our third place with the bronze. 8 to 12 age group. Oh, that's an illegal move. That's a black flag. Unfortunate, and an elimination. And another one. We got three disqualified. That's a black flag.
Come on, Bradley!
Keep going, keep going.
Come on, Kaden! Going the wrong way.
All right, the 8 to 12 group with a little extra weight is. All right, he's going to go back to the start and try and ride it. Coming down to the wire. We'll see what the officials decide. He was running with it for a while. We'll see what the official decision is. Here's our first one that I've not seen commit a foul just yet. Coming across the line. Our unofficial second place at this point. Coming down the race for third. Oh, yep, and more disqualifications going on. I've only seen the one non-DQ'd race so far. Well, we're all just having fun. Across the line. Third one to finish. We're waiting for the official decision from this. There's quite a lot going on we need to sort out here.
Kaden's gonna win the bragging right. Go, Kaden!
At the wire. Final three competitors still on course, trying to complete the race. Trying to figure out any strategy whatsoever. I think you're the winner. Is the official choice out yet? And we'll wait for the medal ceremony. It's a good run. I think you're the winner. I think I'm going to DQ first place. I think you're the official winner. We'll wait and see.
Number 16 is the winner.
16.
And he's right there with us.
Ah.
Oh, you got a prize.
The 8 to 12 group, Big Wheels champion right here, bud. Way to go. What's your name? Dakota. Congrats on the Big Wheels race. Who do you want to thank for bringing home this world championship?
My stepdad, all my friends, myself, all the fans here. That's anybody I forgot.
Wonderful. Congrats on the win, dude. We look forward to seeing you a repeat champion next year.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, bud. The medal ceremony, passing out. Gold medal to our champion.
Nice. Congratulations. Remember to come to the camp kids club and get a prize.
And you get a prize. Fantastic result. I'd love to see who got the silver today.
There you go. Okay, you
Oh, right here. Silver medal. What's your name, bud?
Colton.
Colton. Nice second place finish.
thanks.
It was an honest run. Maybe next year.
And Robert.
And bringing out the podium, Robert. Congrats, bud. You did a good run.
Say thank you.
All right, thanks for watching King Dave Motorsports. So we're going to have more of the Super Nationals here for you. So be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.